Okay, so in today's video, we are going to finish up in our ultimate cleaning and organizing video. Today I'm doing the laundry room and the hall closet, so let's get to it. Okay, so here I'm going to just go ahead and get started getting some of this laundry out of here and get this load going and start just from cabinet to cabinet, cleaning, taking everything out, cleaning, and then organizing, decluttering if needed. Quick tip here, I use these pods on rugs or things that aren't as important or isn't going to be really touching our bodies on a daily instead of the expensive laundry soap.
The satisfaction in you don't seem to be fine. I'm feeling crazy now, I'm really crazy now. But you and me should just break it all up. You're not alone in this, but now you're on your own. I forgot about your smile, yeah, it has been a while. Something made you unhappy, it's gone. I think that none of us did wrong, but we didn't realize.
I always find the best way to protect your cabinet shelving is to put some paper towels down when you're dealing with candles, because especially here in Arizona, you know, there's just kind of a, you know, they have a discolorating on the cabinetry, so I always put paper towels down so that if any of that happens, it just goes on the paper towel and I can throw that away.
Now break it up, honey. The satisfaction in you don't seem to be fine. I'm feeling crazy now, I'm really crazy now. But you and me should just break it all off. Off we go tonight, off we go tonight. The right thing to do. We'll be off tonight, we'll be off for life. Can already see you smile, ready to see you smile, a girl I once knew. Off we go tonight, the right thing to do. Can already see you smile, ready to see you smile, a girl I once knew. Break it up now, break it up, honey. The satisfaction in you don't seem to be fine. I'm feeling crazy now, I'm really crazy now. But you and me should just break it all off. Break it up now, break it up, honey.
Okay, so this is our everyday laundry soap, and it's the Thieves from Young Living laundry soap. And what I do is empty the whole entire container in there, and then I cut it with water to make it last longer. It works great. I love it. These bags I got at the Container Store, and they are for sheets or blankets that you can organize by bed or however you want to, but they work great to keep all your sheets separated. In these cabinets, I keep all of our extra stock of first aid, lotions, deodorants, dental needs, anything like that in these clear bin containers. That way, if anybody needs anything, they just get what they need. Okay, so Bubba, this is what we did today. We finished up the ultimate quarterly deep cleaning and organizing. And we did the laundry room and we did the linen closet. So, linen closet, we took out everything, wiped down the shelves, decluttered and organized, labeled anything, purged, wiped down the baseboards, swept and mopped. And in the laundry, we took everything out of cabinets, wiped down cabinets in the faces, took everything out of the drawers, wiped down the drawers and the faces, decluttered, wipe down counters, clean and washer, and oh yes, I cleaned the washer and the cleaning solution, wipe out dryer, wipe down the baseboards, and I swept and mopped. Okay, wow, that feels good. This was the dirtiest my laundry room has been in a little bit, and it may not seem like it's that dirty to you guys, but it was for me. So it felt good to just really get in, get all those areas cleaned out, and it just feels refreshed and awesome. I so hope you got some inspiration to keep going on this cleaning journey, that you keep on with your checkoff list, and you keep this up for every quarter, 4 months, whatever works the best for you. But then remember, the more you do it and you keep it up, the easier it is, and it won't be such a hard task. So I think I feel pretty good about myself and my laundry room and my hall closet, linen closets. Those are the things that can really get messed up with everybody putting stuff away. So keep in mind, or develop your own area. You know, if your bedroom closet is more of an issue than your laundry room, maybe you don't have a laundry room, then add that to it and just do the same thing. You can manipulate this checkoff list however you need it to work. It's for you, it's for me to help you, and
Use it however you need to. I hope you have a great day. Please make sure if you like this video and you're liking the content, please take a moment to go down and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Bye.